Ma'am, it's Miss Godwin.
Miss Godwin, my name is Katie Godwin.
Very well.
Farrah Turner's mom. And I really thought I was going to be able to be strong today. But today feels like her funeral all over again. So if you don't mind, I'm going to have my niece, Brittany, come and read my statement for me.
Ma'am, whatever is comfortable for you. This is Brittany.
Yes.
Come right on up.
My name is Attorney Brittany Weaver, Investigator Farrah Turner. It's my first cousin. I'll be reading this on behalf of my Aunt Katie M. Godwin. Your Honor, the family of Investigator Farrah Turner has endured both emotional and physical trauma due to a senseless, horrific act of violence by Fred Hopkins. The memory of the countless hours my daughter suffered from gunshot wounds on October 3rd, 2018 is permanently etched in our minds. We helplessly watched her endure pain and suffering for 19 agonizing days as she fought for her life through surgery after surgery until her passing on October 22nd, 2018. Over the past several years, we've seen you, Fred Hopkins, come in and out of courtrooms, showing no remorse for murdering 2 police officers and attempting to murder 5 others. You look back at us, the victims, and even smirked in our faces while we sat there, overwhelmed by the pain you caused. In the depths of our heart, we wonder how a human being can harbor such an evil, almost demonic spirit. But the truth is, you are not a human being. You are subhuman. Innocent children entered your home who needed love, support, and shelter, but they were subjected to unthinkable horrors with no one to protect them. Then a brave child confided in my daughter and told her about the abuse. My daughter was a kind, compassionate, and dedicated young lady who selflessly served the citizens of Florence County for many years and excelled at her job. And just as she was closing in on your house of horrors, you ambushed her, shooting to kill her like the spineless coward you are. You shot her once, but that was not enough. You shot her the second time while she lay helpless in your front yard. I sat through the recent guilty plea hearing, listening to the vile things you said about my daughter and others. You specifically referred to her as the walking dead. I find it ironic because you are the walking dead. No privilege, legal tactics, no empty public statements, or no amount of money can save you now. You may be still breathing, but we all know you've been the walking dead since the moment you pulled the trigger on October 3rd, 2018. For a long time, a part of me wanted to see the death penalty imposed, but I've chosen a different path. I want you to live. The thought of you enduring the brutalities of general prison population rather than being protected in a cell while awaiting a penalty we all know you'll never live to receive brings me some comfort. I hope the general population treats you in the manner you truly deserve for the rest of your worthless natural life. You belong locked away, caged up with other murderers, child abusers, and rapists. When you can reflect on and experience the suffering you caused me, my family, and those children in that house of horrors before you leave this world. My heart will forever bear the weight of losing my child, Farrah Burdette Godwin Turner, affectionately known as Maxine. God blessed me with Maxine. Maxine was a gift to me. In the course of her duty, protecting children, you made the choice to take Maxine away from me, depriving her of the chance to start her own family and continue her travels to explore the world. But you did not deprive her of her lasting global impact. Thanks to you, Investigator Farrah Turner's name and courageous acts are known all over the world. She has inspired a new generation of law enforcement officers to eliminate predators that prey on vulnerable children.